Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add thumbnail to TikTok videos. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok. So once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and click on uploads. From here, you need to select video and photo for your thumbnail. And then you simply need to click on next. So once you are here, you simply need to click on this edit. And from here, you need to select the duration of the thumbnail pictures to 2 seconds. Okay, so that you can set it as thumbnail. Okay, then you simply need to click on next, and from here you need to select the cover like this. After that you need to click on save, and then you simply need to click on post. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.